Hi, today I'd like to review how to add a indexable holder onto your turret in ESPRIT Edge. So something exactly like this. So what we would do is we would begin by grabbing an adaptive item from our holder library. You can download this library from our website, and I'll show you how to do that at the end of the video. To begin with, we will grab that file, and as you can see here, the base element is here and the head element is here. So in these folders, you can browse, you can see the different elements, the different holders. The browser window is really nice because we can kind of rotate around and take a look at the holder before we load it into the software so we don't have to guess and test. So now we've added the base element, we are able to manipulate it so we can rotate it around if necessary, move that feature to the opposite side if we need to. Then we would pick OK. And from here, we're going to grab the holder attachment point. So you can see the little origin here. That's where we want to attach the next element, which would be the head, and we will grab it here. Once we have this loaded, this is where we begin to rotate the holder. So if we were to put 45 degrees, for example, and we're rotating around the y-axis, we can see the holder here oriented at a 45-degree angle. You can go steeper at 60, or you can go shallow at 10, completely up to you. And this mimics setting our adjustable head manually. All right, now that we have the holder loaded, we can certainly add a tool. So we will click here. If you're not sure which one, we've got the different tool attachment points. We can add additional holders if necessary. And we can just create a 1/2-inch end mill on the fly if we'd like. Here we've got something preloaded. We can always adjust it. Type a name, give it a tool number, and off we go. Of course, we can also grab something that is in our prep area down here and drag it up into position. Alternately, you may decide that you want to save or store your own holders. As an alternate, you can always browse and find a holder that may have been preset to a determined angle, and then load that in just the same as we did with the previous example. These holders are available on the products page of the ESPRIT Web Hexagon website. If we look under ESPRIT Edge 2025, we'll see Download Tool Item Library, and you can begin to download a large folder containing many, many holders as an example. Thanks for your attention. Please let me know if you have any additional questions.